Getting the unable to retrieve data for this team error in Clash? You're not the only one. This annoying issue usually shows up right before Clash starts, and it stops players from locking in or even seeing their team info. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it fast so you don't miss your next match. This error is mostly caused by Riot Vanguard, League's new anti-cheat system. It runs deep in your system and sometimes blocks the connection between your client and Riot servers. If your team data isn't loading, it usually means Vanguard is interfering or your client isn't syncing with Clash properly. First, try running both Riot Client and League of Legends as administrator. Right-click the shortcuts. Go to Properties, click on Compatibility, and check Run this program as an administrator. This gives both apps the access they need to properly connect to the Clash servers through Vanguard. Next, restart Vanguard. Go to Task Manager and any Riot or Vanguard-related processes. Then go to C Program Files Riot Vanguard and delete the folder. Reboot your PC, then launch League. Vanguard will reinstall automatically. This often clears up corrupted files causing team data issues. If the issue continues, disable background apps. Tools like Discord overlays, Razer Synapse, and MSI Afterburner can block or slow Riot server requests. Close all unnecessary programs through Task Manager. This ensures Vanguard and League can communicate without interference during Clash queue. Also, switch your network. Try restarting your router or switching to mobile data using a hotspot. Sometimes the error is caused by poor or unstable internet, especially if it blocks Riot's game servers. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily. It might be routing your connection poorly. Make sure your game is updated and fully repaired. Open Riot Client, go to Settings, select League of Legends, and click Repair. This scans and fixes broken files that could be stopping Clash from loading team info. It also helps if you're getting random client crashes or loading issues. That's all. One of these steps should fix the unable to retrieve data for this team error and get you ready for Clash. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more fixes. Don't let a small bug ruin your Clash weekend. Get back in and win.